The HBT250P TIG Foot Pedal provides precise control over welding current intensity with simple foot movements, ensuring excellent results for every project. Designed with an ergonomic tilt angle, this foot pedal allows for comfortable use over extended periods, reducing fatigue and improving performance. Constructed from high-quality alloy materials, the HBT250P is built to withstand the harsh demands of daily use, offering durability and wear resistance. Installation is straightforward with its plug-and-play design, and a non-slip bottom ensures stability, making it easy to maintain efficiency during long work sessions. HITBOX offers reliable customer support with a 2-year quality guarantee, ensuring professional assistance for any issues that may arise. The HBT250P TIG Foot Pedal is specifically designed for compatibility with the HITBOX HBT250P TIG welding machine, making it a perfect match for your welding needs.